Yo, what's up guys, and today I'm gonna be talking about ways to make money online. And this is not just through social media, this is the whole landscape, the online landscape. So, online business types. There are multiple businesses you can create online, so let me show you what they are. So these are the three main ones. So number one would be e-commerce, number two would be personal branding, and number three would be consulting and creating courses and providing information as a product. These are the three most popular ones, and I'm gonna give you the pros and cons of each one of them. With e-commerce, it's really easy to get in, and when there's a place that's easy to get in, remember, you're gonna have a lot of competition, but you have to find a way to kind of stand out in a crowded area. It's all up to you, depending on the product. You can sell anything. And in the basic lines of what's happening in an e-commerce currently. So currently the most popular, business models for e-commerce is building a fake brand and doing dropshipping. Most of the time it's the two combined. So where can you do e-commerce? You can do it on Amazon. You can create your own site and create it on there. If you're gonna want to build a brand, this is the way to go. And later on, once you have more and more recognition, you can do both. And doing both, it's just great, because with Amazon, nothing's gonna sit in your stock for a long time, because somebody's gonna buy it. Like, seriously, this is what's up with Amazon. But the problem is, Amazon takes a 30% fee for every purchase. So if you create your own website, you're much more free. You don't have to pay a fee. Ha, gotcha again. With e-commerce, as I said, the hurdle to get over and to get into e-commerce is just super low. It's just super easy to get in, and it can raise a lot of problems. Just because of your competition, somebody can copy your stuff and stuff like that. The biggest benefit right now is that it's super passive, right? It's just super passive. You can have your website on, you can run some ads for it, create like everything. You can just run systems in there so everything's optimized. And boom, like you can just chill in your Bahamas and just watch your store and get you money. But yeah, the biggest con, as I said in the first place, is it's super easy to get into. So now let's get into consulting. I know in the first part it was the other way around, but all of these are gonna tie together at the end. Let me show you how. So with consulting, this is not like almost selling like information. This is selling information. Somebody who doesn't know the answers, you give them your answers. For money, of course. And you fix their problem and they're gonna be happy. You're gonna be happy, they're gonna be happy. So great. What do you do here? You sell information about a niche, in a niche where you're good at. So what can you sell? You can sell your skills. You can sell like your skills in terms of, I don't know, like building a web page, doing this, XYZ, yada yada. And then you can sell your information, what you know about building a website, the key things you need to keep in mind while creating a website, and all that kind of stuff. And where can you sell it? This is just through your personal brand. You cannot just go out there and just say, oh yeah, I'm gonna help you do XYZ. Unless you have a company, you must have a personal brand. And if you have a company already in consulting, personal brand is just gonna keep everything and make everything much easier for you. So now let's go into this. With a personal brand, you can just do everything. You can talk about what you love, what you like, yada yada. Like, for example, if you're doing e-commerce, and you have a personal brand, you can talk about how you build that e-commerce. You can sell courses, and that way you're multiplying your income streams. So personal brand is the best place to start multiplying your income streams. And if you're looking to build an online business, you know what multiplying your income streams are, and the personal brand is just the way to go. And the benefits to this: you get connections, you can multiply your income streams, and you can get more power, right? Because a lot of times when you have a company and you have a great personal brand, like people know your name, they might not like the company, but they will still go to a meeting just because it's you, right? And if you're trying to go into social media marketing, whatever, if you have the top mind of awareness of you being the expert in social media, it will be much easier to sign a client for you, right? And the personal brand, it just brings power to the table. It has no downsides besides you having to put time into it, right? But the thing is, the more you automate your main business, the more time you'll have for this. And look, your income's gonna go like this. It's gonna go up, then it's gonna dip, and then it's gonna skyrocket because you have built your personal brand, and it's just key, especially in 2018. It's just key to make money online. So if you want to build your personal brand, guys, you are at the right place. You are at the right place. I have built my main page to 13,000 followers on Instagram, and my Instagram page to 1.2 thousand followers in under 26 days. So if you want to learn how I did that, click the subscribe button right now, and yeah, you're gonna learn a lot of stuff. Watch my different other videos. I literally expose what I do myself. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. You definitely got some value out of this, and if you did, comment down below which were the top 3 things you learned from this video. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.